Hi everyone, welcome to my book talk on My Family Divided by Diane Guerrero. This is a nonfiction text where the author Diane walks us through her childhood all the way to adulthood and really describing the events of her life and describing how the deportation of her parents to Colombia really affected her life. Something that I really found overwhelmingly throughout the text, something that really made it easy to read, was that it's very inviting. It has the tone of any of your friends just describing a story and telling you about their life friend to friend. So it really achieves that tone through a couple of specific techniques. Ones that I really noticed a lot were her use of teenage slang. So some examples of that were fly, calling her Adidas shoes fly or something dope. She also includes social media terms like TBH without an explanation, just TBH this. And then she also included hashtag squad goals in one part, which is modern, it's relevant, and it just really connects you to that like teenage mindset as she's describing her teenage years. So it's very inviting, familial, friendly. Another way that she really made that impact of an inviting and friendly tone was through her ability to kind of address the reader throughout the text in a very inviting, kind of chummy way. And in a few specific instances, she actually kind of breaks the fourth wall, if that could be described for a book. So I'll give you an example of what I'm talking about. I should let them know I'm on my way, I thought. I spotted a payphone. Yes, payphones were still a thing. I dropped a quarter in and dialed. So she has these dashes and she kind of takes a moment to break away from the story and be like, yeah, I know, it's crazy. Payphones were a thing. It's almost as if she anticipates what the audience was going to say. So I think that overall this is a very great text for the nonfiction idea of trying to bring students in and walking in the same shoes as someone who might have a different experience than them. So I think this book really accomplishes that. I really enjoyed it. Bye, guys.